Hey, Ben from bensbackwoods.com here. We're going to do a quick in-shop video of this is the 16 centimeter billy pot kit that I sell, this cook kit. And I want to show you guys all the different components. This is one of my favorite kits. I use this quite a bit. This is not a lightweight hiking kit. This is a heavier kit. I use this for canoe camping, for car camping, for winter camping. So we'll get right into it. Main component is the 16 centimeter billy pot. This is about a 2-pound pot, and this has about a 3-quart capacity. So I would say this is good for 2 people for sure, 3 people, maybe 4 people. We've got, this is really high quality stainless. We've got a nice lid on here. Here's the insert tray. This is the main pot here. These have the stainless steel bail clips on here, so you can stick your bail in the vertical position and clip it on. This is handy if you want to use this on a kitchen stove, on a 2-burner stove, alcohol stove, what have you. Keeps the bail vertical. When I hang these pots over a fire, I don't usually use those clips. The nice thing about the clips too is you can kind of helps you, it gives you the ability to pour with them. So there's the clips in the main pot. We have this insert tray. These insert trays sit kind of in the lip, right in the lip of that pot, so they sit down like that. I have used this insert tray to steam veggies, frozen veggies, fresh veggies. I put them in here. I put water in the bottom of this pot and I boil it with the lid on, and it steams them, and it does a pretty good job. Another thing I do with these insert trays is I will grease this insert tray and put a biscuit mix or a little muffin mix in here, and I can put water in the bottom of the pot, and I can hang this over a fire, and I can boil the water in the bottom, and what it does is it steam bakes your biscuits, and you basically can't burn the bottom of your biscuits if you're steam baking. And once the bottom of it's done, I'll pull this out and prop it up near the fire and let the fire continue to cook the biscuits, and this I find is a really pretty easy way of not burning your biscuits out in the bush. So that's handy. It can be used as a bowl, as a plate. We throw in this Ollie Camp pot gripper in the kit, which will grip the side of this thing, and you can use this as a skillet. So this makes it a nice and easy little pan that comes along with it. So another thing with this pot gripper is we can grip the top of this lid, and this gives us the ability to sit there and check on our food while it's cooking or boiling, pull it on and off, which is handy. The lid itself is really high quality. You could actually use this as a little bit of a bowl or a plate, and I've done that in the past. Like I said, you've got your pot gripper here. Obviously, you can grab the side of your pot, and I use this a lot for pouring these pots. It makes it nice and easy. And the next component we've got is we have a 1-quart stainless GSI Tea Kettle. It's got a nice little D-ring on here on the lid, and you can see inside that kettle. I've used these as a bowl. I've cooked food in these, but it's a 1-quart teapot for 1 quart of water. So what's handy about this is this tea kettle will set right down in the bottom of that 16 centimeter pot like it was made to go in there. And then we can take our insert tray, let that set down in there, throw your lid on, well, throw the pot gripper aside there, throw the lid on, and now we have a stuff sack, 7x15 stuff sack. And on my pots like this that I use over a fire, I don't bother cleaning them ever. I let them get sooted up, they get black. They'll get a good coating on them, and I think as they blacken up, they'll actually transfer heat faster. I don't bother cleaning them. I just take them and slide them into a stuff sack like this, and this, pop it in my pack, and now that stuff sack is going to keep all the keep all my other there we go. Keep everything else clean. So this is a nice little kit. Like I said, it's not lightweight. It's probably close to 3 pounds as it stands. but I use this the most for car camping, winter camping, canoe camping, where weight is not a concern, and it's always nice to have all these components together, and it's been very handy. So check it out if you haven't seen it. I think you guys will like it. Thanks.